Welcome to
Keenan
and Meg
and
the Gospel Love
Ring.
Ring.
Hello, YouTube fam. It is Ronika here. Listen, if you are a person who likes to study or work from home with music or some type of sound, do I have something to help you? So, we love this skill called endel, and endel has a few routine collaborations for like sleep and not sleep, wind down and nap time, I think it is. And there are 4 soundscapes, but the one that I want to feature right now in this video is the focus soundscape. And so, without further ado and all that rambling on, let's just get into it. Open endel.
Endel here. Choose a soundscape that best fits you at the moment. Focus, relax, wind down, or sleep.
Focus.
You go, human. The focus soundscape is on.
Computer stop. Computer volume down. Alright, you guys, that was the focus soundscape on the endel scale, and it does have an app, but unless you get premium, you can only use it for 10 minutes. What I like about that focus soundscape is how upbeat but still relaxing it is. And I like to use it when I am being productive and really want to get in that focus state, in that focus mindset. So it has become pretty much our productivity soundtrack. For those of us that have devices, I know Jamani is eager to get her device to use it. So my next video on endel will be the relaxed soundscape. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, God bless you all.